Hi everyone, my name is Normandi. I am a brand designer, a web designer, and a web developer under my design studio called Alethea Made. And today I will be walking you through how I would take Squarespace's template and redesign it as my own, built out for a content creator persona and following a simple strategy and a minimal design aesthetic. So to get started, we are going to jump into Squarespace. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and update the title and the logo and the favicon. So I know that I have that all ready to go. Next, what I like to do is I actually like to build out a back-end page for my clients. I like to add the typography and colors to make sure that they're set up in the way that I want them to look together. So I'm just going to drop in the elements that I have. So that is the main setup for our site styles. And then I want to take a look at the homepage that's included in the template. This basically includes the whole strategy that I would include. It's got right away an introduction into who this content creator is and what they do, what makes them different with their approach, the credentials that support their expertise, visual evidence of the work that they've done, testimonials, an invitation to book, and then frequently asked questions, and also an opportunity to stay connected with a newsletter. So for the design that I've built out, we have 2 sections, and that's because in one of the sections, we are going to be using sticky blocks, and the way that I want it to work, they need to be in the same section to be able to stay stacking on top of each other like I have envisioned. When you have a lot of text or when a client has a lot of text on the website, accordion block is a great way to include the content that's needed, but to keep it remaining minimal. Okay, so the next section is the shop section. And for this section here, I have already built out the shop page. So we can go ahead and link that up. Next section is portfolio section. So I also have already built out the portfolio page. We're going to reference it. We're going to pull everything forward with a summary block. And it is a portfolio, but I am using a blog so that I can pull it through the summary block. The next section we're going to look at is the About section. Okay, the last section is the Connect section. And in this section, I want to include an invitation to connect with some text, as well as an invitation to sign up for the newsletter. Okay, so that's pretty much it for desktop website design. And then the very last thing I do is I run all my code through an auto prefixer to make sure that it is prepared for any type of browser, ideally. But otherwise, we are done with our customized Audrey template. Thank you for watching along as I made this template and this website my own. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoy the rest of Circle Day.